Hi, and welcome to another edition of CMS Forex News. I'm Christina Robinson, and today is April 1st, 2008. Confidence among Japan's large manufacturers deteriorated sharply in the first quarter, falling to a measure of 11 from fourth quarter's measure of 19. Exports have been a main driver of recent economic growth, but companies may be cutting back capital spending as they see overseas markets weakening. The Reserve Bank of Australia held rates at 7.25% last evening and signaled that that level, which is the highest since July 1996, would be sufficient to curb inflation. The Aussie-US dollar pair has been in a downtrend since last Friday when the pair stalled near 0.9250. The more dovish statement today continued the Aussie's decline. The pair has swung 200 pips in the greenback's favor since its high on Friday. Against the yen, the Aussie initially fell following its central bank announcement. But as European trading began, the pair rallied, climbing 160 pips to retest the 92.2 level. In general, the yen is trading weaker today. Retail sales in Germany surprised on the downside in February, declining 1.6% on the month. On the year, sales turned negative and matched forecasts of a drop of 0.3%. One explanation for the decline is that consumers may be spending less as higher inflation erodes their spending power. The German economy created 55,000 new jobs in March, and the unemployment rate fell to 7.8%, the lowest in 15 years. A strong labor market should continue to sustain consumer confidence and spending. Since setting a high near 1.59 yesterday, the euro-dollar pair has been pressured. During today's session, the pair broke down through support at 1.5750 and fell around 200 pips. The euro was pressured by the German sales data, along with the news that Swiss banking giant UBS is announcing a further $19 billion write-down resulting from the credit crisis. Deutsche Bank announced that it too will take a record $3.9 billion write-down. The U.S. manufacturing sector, though failing to grow in March, still surprised on the upside. The ISM index managed to improve to 48.6 when economists had predicted a further fall. The index was helped by an increase to the employment and deliveries subgauges, though new orders and production declined. Prices surged, increasing 8 points to 83.5. The poor Japanese Tankan survey, combined with the better-than-expected ISM data, pushed the dollar higher versus the yen. Since the start of the week, the pair is up 270 pips. Stock markets in the U.S. surged, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average is up 250 points as of 2 p.m. The strong performance in the markets helped stimulate carry trade. The pound-Swiss franc pair surged today in the wake of increased risk appetite. The pound reversed its losses from yesterday's session and was trading above 2 as of 2 p.m. New York time, a gain of almost 280 pips. Overnight, we get producer prices from Europe and mortgage approvals from the UK. In the U.S., we get the ADP employment change and factory orders. Also, Fed Chairman Ben Bernanke testifies on the economic outlook in front of the Joint Economic Committee of Congress. And that's it for today's Forex News. Thank you for watching, and join us again tomorrow right here at CMSFX.com.